In this video, we're going to be installing the BindsNet package locally on Linux, and we're also going to be running the eth-mnist example in the examples folder. Given the README, as you can see here, we have multiple options of installing BindsNet. The one we want to choose is installing it locally, so we need to clone the repository. Your Linux distribution will need to have git installed. If not, you can follow the instructions on how to do that. But we're just going to do git clone and the repository name. So now you can see the repository has been cloned onto our machine. We're just going to go into it, and we're going to install it using the command pip install tac-e dot. So your version may look a bit different, but for me, since I already have BindsNet installed, you'll just see requirement already satisfied. But for you, maybe it'll be something else. And if you happen to run into a permission error, all you need to do is to add on user, and then you'll be fine. Now that you have BindsNet installed on your computer, we're just going to look at the contents, and we can go into the examples folder. And in examples here, we have breakout, mnist, and tensorboard. The one that we'll be focusing on today will be mnist. And in this video, we're going to be focusing on the eth-mnist.py file. This one will show us and demonstrate spiking neural networks running on the mnist dataset. In other words, it will be trying to use a spiking neural network to identify digits written by a human hand. So to run that, we're just going to do python eth_mnist.py. So for this specific example, it is really recommended to use a GPU rather than a CPU. As you can see here, while using a CPU, it is training at a super slow speed. But if you do have a GPU, it will speed it up quite a bit. As you can see, every so often, this example will tell you how much the accuracy is. And right now, since we are still in the beginning of the training session, the accuracy is not that great. It's only 14%. But as the training progresses, the hope here is the accuracy will improve slowly. You can probably tell at this point that every 250 iterations it will print out the accuracy. So if you want to, you can also go into the code and adjust that. The average accuracy for those 3 iterations, it is going up slowly, but we also can see in the latest accuracy here, while it is at 750 iterations, it is a bit worse than the one at 500, although the average accuracy is going up. So yeah, this will be the example of running the mnist dataset on a spiking neural network. If there's any other questions you have, feel free to direct them to the GitHub, open an issue, and then we'll try to help you as much as we can.